Hi there, my name is Alex Roberts. I'm here today at Washington Memorial Chapel. We are representing the Pendel International Society of Arboriculture. We are a group of arborists here today donating our time, resources, and manpower to help Washington Memorial get back to baseline in regards to their tree care. On this beautiful site, in both near the chapel and the cemetery, there are quite a few standing dead trees that have been left, and it is not lost on us the cost of tree care. And so this day is all about giving back to the community and a place in need so that we can help out in ways that only arborists can. Companies like John B. Ward Arborists, Boulder Tree Care, Bartlett Tree Care, Davy Tree, Bates Landscaping, and Mountain Arborist, as well as many others, have come today to donate our time and services. It's a great day for the community and arborists as well. Throughout the cemetery, there are many standing dead trees, most of them of the ash species, which have been decimated by a beetle that came through this area upwards of 15 years ago. These standing dead trees are very hazardous and should not be left standing in any area where there is human traffic. In the cemetery, there's a lot of that going on, both with people visiting and public pedestrians just coming through on bicycles, walking, driving, etc. This property neighbors Valley Forge Park, so there's a lot of crossover with people walking through and coming through. Having 100-foot standing dead trees is not a good idea, and that's where the arborists come in to take them and remove them safely and efficiently. It's a big process, requires a lot of hard work, manpower, extremely skilled professionals, and as you can see, millions of dollars in equipment. But this is a tribute to Arbor Day, which is coming up next Friday. Hope you get outside that day and plant a tree or at least enjoy one. Thank you.